how to make video ads for beginners. Hi guys, what is up? How's it going? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create yourself stunning Facebook ads or dropshipping ads for your business, all by using a tool online. So without wasting any more of your time, let's jump into the method. Firstly, come on to invideo.io. Now guys, invideo.io is going to be the platform that we're going to be using for this particular method. Now why? Because they let you design free videos and many different things for absolutely free. So now click on the top right corner where it says sign up, and then simply sign up by putting in all your information like your first name, your last name, your email, your password, or sign up with Google or Facebook. Now once you do that, I'm going to catch you guys in step number 2. So once you sign up, they're going to ask you a bit about your business. So from over here, choose what suits you the best. I'm going to choose agency, and after that click on next. After that, simply put in your theme's name, invite your members if you want to, and then after that simply click on invite or simply close this particular page. So once you do that, over here is going to be the main page that you're going to be seeing for yourself. So from over here, you can basically start modifying any templates, pick any template, and then you can simply get started. Now scrolling down, we can see some of the best templates that they have on right now, and there are literally hundreds of these templates. Similarly, below we have some more options as well. Now let's say International Friendship Day is coming up, you can simply choose templates from over here. If you have Sisters Day, you can choose templates from over here. If you have Parents Day, you can choose templates from over here. Now after that, we can even see some more options like video testimonials, intros and logos, and some more options like offers and discounts, so many more options and templates available, all for our personal use. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to type in drop shipping. Now once I type in drop shipping, I will be able to see most probably templates in the dropshipping niche. Now right now it is saying that 0 templates found. So what you can do is that you can simply back up and then you can type in ads. Now once you type in ads, you are going to see a lot of templates. Now on the left side, you have more than 700 templates available for your personal use. So what you can do now is that you can simply pick a template depending upon what your brand does. Now let's say if your brand is a corporate and you need corporate ads, you can pick this one. If your brand is an home appliances brand, you can pick this one. If your brand is some other brand, well then you can simply pick any one which suits you. Now I'm gonna pick this particular template because I find this to be really fascinating and I really like this. Now let's say you are drop shipping skateboards or any other product. What you can do is that you can simply click on this particular template and then choose the resolution. So from over here, if you want to go for Instagram video ads, choose the square one. If you want to go for TikTok ads, choose the vertical one. If you want to publish this ad on YouTube or any other website that basically gives you long form videos, you want to go with widescreen. So I'm going to go with square for now because I want this ad to be an Instagram ad. So I'm going to click on use this template. Similarly, the process is same for all these templates. Nothing is going to change. So once you know this, you basically know everything. So just wait for this to load up. This is going to load up in just a couple of seconds, and once this loads up, you will be able to see the canvas in front of you. So once the canvas loads up from over here, you can essentially modify any one of these things. So essentially what you can do is that you can simply double click on the text and then you can simply put in anything. Let's say that you are drop shipping, let's say necklaces. You can type in necklaces over here and that is going to look really nice. And after that, you can even type in limited edition, and that is going to give you another line. So essentially this looks pretty dope already, and you can simply move this around and over here it looks absolutely stunning. And again, you can literally type in anywhere and you can literally increase the background, decrease the scale of the background, move these products around, add your own products, add PNGs, add whatever you want. And then you can even change this description text over here, basically which says designed by Tony or something like that. So that is very nice. And then also essentially what you can do is that you can move these things around. You can basically add more elements over here too from the left side. So from the left side, you have these options to add videos, to add images, to add music, text. We have logos, we have folders as well if you want to categorize all your data. So let's say you want to add a video, click on video, and then after that from over here simply choose a video depending upon what your product is about. Now let's say I want to sell necklaces. I'm gonna type in jewelry. So once I type in jewel, After that, I'm gonna click on enter, and I will see all the videos in the jewelry category. So over here you can see that I have a lot of videos. Now I can essentially pick any one of these videos, but these videos are going to be paid, so basically I will have to pay some money for that. So I'm not going to do that right now, but if you want to do this professionally, well, then you will have to pay some money for these videos. Similarly, if you want to add images, you can add any one of these images. Like if I were to double click, I can simply add this image over here, and then if I were to increase the size and stuff, I can see this size being extended. So now what I want you to do is that, and now let's say you want to bring this to the back, or you want to delete a specific layer. From the right side you can see all the layers. You can simply move this to the back if you want to, and then that is going to go to the back. And then if you have multiple layers, you can simply press delete on your keyboard, and then that is going to delete that. So over here we have that. Now let's say you want to delete this skateboard rider. From the right side, simply see which video is it, and then after that simply delete that particular shade or that video as well. Essentially you can do just so many things using this particular tool. So now you have this, and now you can simply change the objects as well. Click on the logos from the left side, and you will be able to see all your logos if you have uploaded any. The more logos you upload, the more variation you will have for your advertisements. Now let's say you want to add some more text. So for that text, what you can do is that you can from the left side click on text, and then simply from over here pick out any type of text that you want. So I'm gonna pick out the hello one, and once I click on the hello one, that is gonna be added over here, and I can simply change it to voila. Now once I change it to voila, after that over here you can see that this will also be animated. Now if I were to move this playhead back, and if I were to click on play, I will be able to see how it sounds and how it looks. I'm not gonna play it for longer because I don't want to get copyright striked, but then again you guys get the point, right? So basically let's say you want to extend the period that this particular text stays on screen for. Simply click on this layer and then simply extend it, or move this around if you want to, depending upon how long you want this particular text to stay here for. And then for the video, you can basically add some more transitions too. So if I were to click on transitions, I can simply choose any transition. So I'm gonna choose this particular one, and then if I were to click on play, the transition happens, and now I have another slide. Similarly, I can simply modify this, and then again click on over here, add another transition if I want to, and then simply let it play once again. There is the transition. So guys, again, making catchy advertisements is really super easy. Honestly, you can get started within minutes of you joining this particular website. So guys, that is basically how you create an advertisement for any of your devices, for any of your products. Then again guys, this was basically the whole method. Now once all of this is done, click on download and share from the top right, and then simply download this with a watermark. Or if you want to get it without a watermark, obviously click on upgrade for free, and then from over here simply choose your trial, and then simply use the plan for 7 days, and then once you make money from those ads, simply spend a percentage and then simply get their lifetime deal. So that is how it works guys. That is how easy it is, and that is how you can make video ads in just a few minutes. So thank you so much for watching. If this video helped you out, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and till next time, goodbye.